So like I said, it's been growing at about 11% over the last decade, and it's the largest industrial distributor in the U.S. And they do focus a lot on metalworking and that type of thing, and they have a lot of salespeople that have a lot of expertise. So there's a bit of stickiness to it. The companies that order their products get used to dealing with them, or if they have any issues or problems, they know they can call and get these resolved, which they might not with a smaller distributor, right? So, like I say, it's yielding about 5%, and their dividend has increased from 0.34 or 34 cents in 2004 all the way up to $3 today, which is paid every year, and it even paid the dividend during the 2009 financial crisis. So it is very shareholder friendly, smart management, and kind of a company that hopefully you can just buy, hold, and kind of forget about. So its book value also over that time, so it's been paying out a dividend, but at the same time it's been able to increase its book value from $9 to $23 over the same time, and then over that same time revenues have almost doubled. So it's just this stalwart, steady, kind of well-managed company. And its debt is relatively low, which is very important right now. It's only $250 million, where the shareholder equity is $1.325 billion. And the return on equity over the last decade is 19, so that's very high. Right now, price to sales ratio is only at 1, where it's averaged 1.52 because the share prices came down. Same with price to book, it's 2.65. Over the last decade, it was 3.42, and the PE ratio, because of the drop in price, is 12 versus 16 on average. So, pretty solid company. What I've been looking for, basically, 2,000 companies or so that I look at, I'm always just trying to find about 50 companies like this, and it's not always easier. If the market continues to correct, then more stocks like this are going to, pop up, and will hopefully be good long-term investment. The only negative to this company is Amazon is starting to get into more industrial type products, but I don't think Amazon has the ability to communicate with the industry like this company does, as far as being able to answer questions on products, that type of thing. So I think this company is a little bit unique, and should be able to continue to prosper. Other is, again, there's lots of competitions and relatively low barriers of entry to this, but that's been true for the last 10-15 years, and they've performed well during that time. So that's, I think that's all I really have for this week. We'll see what happens next week. I'm kind of thinking maybe the market might turn around and start looking at economic data, but I don't know. If they print enough money, who knows, maybe the market just keeps going higher, but that's not what I really think will happen. Anyways, that's it for this week. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.